Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. My name is Obianju, or you can call me Hannah. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my skincare routine as a college student. I am currently in my final year of college. I'll soon be graduating. Also, I apologize if my voice is echoing. I'm kind of in the bathroom right now, and I'm kind of also whispering because my roommate is asleep. I know I'm not exactly the advocate for clear skin, but like, come on, look at that skin. Just look at it. I mean, if I do say so myself, I take good care of my skin. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. First off, I'm going to start off by introducing the products that I use. This is the cleanser that I use. Can you like see it? Let me show you really well. Focus. It is a facial cleansing milk. Feel free, I think that's the brand. It has jojoba oil, olive oil, chamomile extract, and aloe vera. Yeah, and also it claims to be of natural origin and also has natural fragrance, so that's kind of really good. Next, I'm going to introduce my exfoliators to you. I have two exfoliators. I have glycolic acid, also known as AHA. It has 10%. It is 10%, as you can see right there. It's 10%, and also has niacinamide 5% and aloe water. Yeah, so it's really good, I guess. This is what I'm going to be using today because I do not use the two exfoliators at the same time. I use them once a week. Like I use this once, I use the other one once, so like twice. You get my drift. Then the other one that I use is the salicylic acid. Yeah, salicylic acid 2% that has charcoal powder and niacinamide 5%. So yeah, here's it again. It's also known as BHA, so yeah. Be sure not to use both of them at the same time. Next, I'm going to be showing the toner. The toner that I use is not exactly good. It was just cheap and affordable. This Zaya toner, I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right. Yeah, it's an aloe tonic for dry skin. So like, it's really good. I mean, as good as it can be. If you can't tell already, I love anything that has aloe vera in it. Like, if there's aloe vera in it, I'm definitely going to buy it. Next, we have the moisturizer that I use. I actually do use aloe vera gel as my moisturizer. Don't mind it, it's looking really like malnourished right now, but I have another one. I just have to finish this tiny one that's left inside. So here it is, 99% aloe vera gel. It's also cruelty free and vegan, or so it claims. So really good. And last but not the least, my macadamia oil. It is 100% macadamia oil. Here it is. I absolutely love it. So that's all the products that I'm going to be using. So let's get on with washing my face. Here's my face before applying anything on it. If you can see it, I mean, there's not going to be much of a difference. It's going to be something you see over time. But like, if you had seen my face like 2 weeks ago, it was kind of like worse than this. So I definitely am seeing a difference so far. So first off, I wash my face. No, I wet my face first before I apply my cleanser. So I'm just going to do that right now. I'm now going to apply my cleanser. Here is the cleanser. Sorry, I'm showing the back. Yeah, that's it. Right here, gonna put like a healthy chunk on there. Yeah, that's really good. Here's the amount that I added. Gonna spread it around my hand, as you can see. Yeah, so now I'm gonna apply it. Okay, let's see. Just gonna apply it on my forehead. Massage it in really well all around my face. Don't forget the sides, in between my eyes. Okay, I really love this cleanser in particular. Yeah, I'm definitely going to keep buying a cleansing milk. Now that it's all on there, now I'm just going to rinse my hand. I usually like to go over my face again when my hand is dry. When my hand is wet with water. Sorry. Ugh. Just to kind of massage it again. Okay. Now I'm going to rinse this off and dry my face off. I don't really like to fully dry it off because I like my face feeling a little bit damp after. As you can see, my cleanser does not completely strip my skin. It's completely nourishing, at least it feels nourishing. It feels really good, doesn't dry up my skin. I'm beautiful. Okay, now it's time to exfoliate with my AHA. Here is how the bottle looks. Here it is. Okay. So this is how the cap looks. Yeah. So what I like to do is kind of drop it on my face instead of on my hands. Like along here. Time to spread it around, avoiding the nose and mouth and eye area. Just kind of on top of my mouth. Ooh. It's really cooling actually, doesn't really burn or anything. I am done applying it, so now just let it on to dry and kind of just absorb into my skin. Usually while I wait, I usually use my phone, but I'm using my phone to record right now, so I'm just going to be giving you a small mini dance session. So like about 2 minutes has passed now, or like less than 2 minutes, and it is completely dry. I feel like it's completely absorbed, so I can wash it off now. Okay, washed it all off. Now I'm going to just go dry my face off and we can move on to the next step. I don't know if you can notice it, but like I have more of a glow like right now than I did before. I don't think you can notice it on camera, but then my face is glowing right now. Gosh, my hair is always coming out of this bonnet. So now that my face is somewhat dry, I go in with my toner to kind of like cool my face down a little bit. I actually use like a spray bottle to spray on my toner because I heard that cotton pads aren't really good for your skin, so I like spraying it on and then using my fingers to massage it in. So okay, just tap it in, massage. Now it's time to go in with my moisturizer. Just gonna squeeze it out. Gosh, this is pathetic. Oh my goodness. This will probably finish soon. Rub it on. I massage it in. So on to my last step. this video is basically almost over. So if you've watched for this long, I suggest that you leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Now I go in with my macadamia oil, which is 100%. I don't think I've said it. I've not said it yet. I haven't. 100% macadamia oil. You see that 100%? It's not 99.9. It's 100%. Sorry, when I'm talking like that. 100%. Yeah. So it's actually quite thick. Like, it's thin, but it's full coverage. Yeah, that's it. So I didn't know that at first. So the first time I put it on, my face was oily for like an hour. So let's do that instead for today. Okay. One droopy one. One. Then I put the excess on my throat. And that concludes the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching me wash my face. I'm going to go to bed looking like a pretty ass. Look like a pretty girl. Yeah. To top all this off and kind of tie down together my bedtime routine, I usually put on my aloe vera gel lip balm. I'm just going to get it right now. It's in my bag. Come on. I'm back. So here it is. So that is what I put on my lips. Like every time, I'm always reaching for this to put on my lips. Okay. I put the excess on my throat. Here are some quick close-ups. Pretty eyelashes, pretty eyebrows, pretty eyes, pretty nose, pretty mouth, pretty jawline, pretty blemishes. Just pretty girl. Okay, that's enough now. Goodbye, and I'll see you next week.